Hi everybody, Jason here from Map the World Travel, and today we're on Atlas Ocean Voyages World Navigator. This is cabin 609. This is the Navigator suite. It's a total square footage of 465 square foot. This is the largest suite on Atlas Ocean Voyages. We're going to start here in the separate bedroom, which has a door that separates the sitting area with the bedroom. You can see a large queen size bed that can be split into two singles if you're traveling with friends or family. You have your TV, a ledge, and direct access to your oversized balcony. The standard size balcony on Atlas for regular cabins is 50 square feet. In the suites, it's double that at 100 square feet. Next to the bed is a universal power socket plus a USB port. We'll come back around into the living area. So this is the largest living area on the ship. You can see this three-seater couch here actually converts into a bed if you have a third person in the cabin as well. You can have up to 3 people in select cabins on Atlas. You have the oversized TV, a sitting area, you have your coffee, there's a US plug-in as well as universal and some extra power points there. There's a minibar that's included, direct access to the balcony from your sitting area as well. And we swing back around here. You have loads of closet space. In this first closet, this is where you'll find your safe, some drawers, the hairdryer and the laundry list. So you have 4 closets there, so lots of space. It's the only cabin that has a separate toilet to the bathroom area. And in the bathroom, it's also the only cabin that has the dual vanity sinks. No matter your cabin category, on Atlas they use L'Occitane products. Beautiful products available from L'Occitane, and these are available in all cabin suites. And a bathtub as well. So the Navigator suite is the only cabin that has a bathtub included, as well as the oversized shower with a rain head. You have 3 jets here that spray out, which are fantastic. And again, your L'Occitane products and a handheld shower as well. So this is an amazing cabin on board Atlas. It's the largest cabin on board. And if we can help with your Atlas Ocean Voyages booking, please visit our website at maptheworldtravel.com or reach out to me directly at jason@maptheworldtravel.com, and we'd be happy to help.